Well, I figure I might as well show you this part. And I don't think there's a top or bottom to this. Let's see. Yeah. It looks like it's going to fit. This is not a top or bottom, so I don't have to worry about that. And I know that these wires pushed into the back, I guess I have to just kind of twist these wires around. This is the one we're replacing, remember? I've already made the determination that one's bad. Bad. I want to make sure that faces like that. So we got these that go in through there. Boy, it's a dealio. I was thinking I could push all these through in one go, but the ends are preventing me from doing that, I think. Yeah, good grief. Okay, come on. There we go. Hold your mouth just right and push. Come on. Looks like it wants to go. I'll have to take some pliers to pull that through. Come on. There. Good Lord. Okay. I want to pull out as much as possible, obviously, to give me as much slop as I can. Once I push this in, maybe I can pull some more out. There, like that. I don't think I can get it much more. I got it shoved up there as best I can. Right? Okay. That's all I got. Okay, now I just gotta tap those back over. Trick here is try not to hit your thumb. Okay. There we go. Look at that. That replaces that. We've got that in there, see? Now we can go back up in there and push that around. And I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see if I got that all the way up, which I do. I look here, and I've got to get these up in those other, connecting up to those other wires. That goes to the white, this goes to the black. I got to get all my little strands up there, and then it's best to twist all your little stranded wire together, okay, like that. This one looks good. Okay, so far so good. All right, we're going to take that in the family room where the TV is, get up there and see if we can't fish that back up. You've been watching this video series, and hopefully you have, but if you haven't, this goes in a little can light. Just keep watching. I'm gonna have to, remember, I fished that up, down out of the ceiling, had to reach in there, get my hand all the way up in there, like that, grab that, and bring it around, and push it down into out the hole. So now I'm gonna have to try to do the same thing. Push it up there, reach it around, try to fish it, and get all my wires kind of twisted the right direction so that I can get it up in there and reach around like that and push it in. Then I have to fit that down in and pull this end over and snap it on that little clip. Okay, it's going to be a little tricky, but I think now that I see how it came off and stuff, I think I can do it. And if I can do it, then you know that you don't have to crawl up in the ceiling, and maybe you've got an eyeball can such as this particular one that you can, you know, if it's between the first and second floor and if there is no attic, you can know that you can do it. And incidentally, if you get one that's not a halogen can, and if you've got a bigger eyeball can with a bulb in it, a flood bulb, you can do the same type of thing, but it's not going to have a ballast in it or anything. But if you have to get to the wires for some unknown reason, maybe their bulb is not working, and you put in a new bulb and the new bulb's not working, you think, what is going on here? Maybe the wires, maybe you have a loose wire nut or something like that inside the little canister. So you have to pull the canister down, like I showed you how to do this one. Take the little screws off of the canister, slide the canister down, pull it out of the way, and you'll see where the junction box is, where the wires are, and then there's a little clip on there. You kind of press that back, take the cover off, and you should be able to get up in there, pull the wires out, make sure your light switch is off, pull your wires out, check your wire nuts, see if they're loose or anything. Maybe there is. Maybe you can fix it that way. If all that fails and those wires are tight and everything, you may have an issue somewhere else up in your attic, maybe a mouse or a rat chewed through a wire or something, and you've got to get up there and replace your wire or do something else. Okay, but okay, let's go put this up and see if I can't do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.